Email Marketing Guide. Welcome to our guide to email marketing. In this guide, you'll learn a variety of tips to tricks which you can use to scale up your email campaigns. This guide will be of great use to you if you want to build up your email list, improve your open rates, write amazing newsletters, and turn more subscribers into customers. So let's get with it. You're going to love this guide. So what exactly is email marketing? Email marketing is a type of digital marketing that involves sending emails to prospects and customers. Email newsletters, promotional campaigns, and event notifications are all examples of email-based marketing messages. Email marketing provides a much higher return on investment than many other marketing channels, such as social media. The biggest advantage of email marketing, which makes it more effective compared to SEO and social media marketing, is that it gives you a direct line to your audience. So the question is, does email marketing still work? Email marketing still works and is super effective. You can see the efficiency of email marketing with the following statistics. The average email subscriber is worth $48.87, according to a report by DMA. Email marketing's rate of investment is 42 to 1, and this super high ROI is probably why 86% of marketers consider email important or very important. Why email marketing still works. Email marketing is preferred by the digital marketers for a variety of reasons. First, being that with email marketing, you own the distribution, and it is a major deal. You have a direct connection to a new subscriber's inbox when they join up for your list. That isn't true of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other social media network. The other reason is that people actually want to receive email marketing messages. Rarely do people use social media to view advertisements. In fact, according to an Adweek research, 45% of consumers find social media commercials to be bothersome. People, on the other hand, are unconcerned about receiving marketing messages in their inboxes. They even anticipate them and like reading about different bits of information in the mail. HubSpot discovered that 86% of customers prefer email-based marketing messages to Facebook ads, TV advertising, and display ads in a survey. Another reason is that email conversions are extremely high. Email, without a doubt, has a greater reach than social media. Does this, however, imply an increase in sales? Yes, it does. In fact, nothing tops email when it comes to converting surfers into consumers. Email converts 40 times as many leads as Facebook and Twitter combined. Building your email list is the first step in every email marketing strategy, and you should start there. In this section, we'll show you how to develop an email list using tactics that are currently very effective. The first step is to conversion optimize your About page. If you're like most people, your website's About page is one of the most popular pages of your site. And even better, visitors to your About page are likely to like you. That is, they're more prone to subscribing. So, on your About page, I recommend including at least one email sign-up form. Another step is to create squeeze pages. You'll need to have a squeeze page if you're serious about growing your email list. So, what is a squeeze page exactly? Simply said, it's a landing page that's designed to turn visitors into email subscribers. You can even go a step further and design different squeeze pages for different audiences if you want to take this to the next level. HubSpot, for example, has 463 different squeeze pages. Each one comes with a unique lead magnet. Let's talk about lead magnets. You'll need to create compelling lead magnets if you want to scale up your email list. Any list-building campaign's lifeblood is lead magnets. This is because in current times, it is really difficult to convince people to join your mailing list with long-term assets. For example, it's really difficult to persuade someone to subscribe to a newsletter for a 21-day email course. What works instead is if you should provide people with something that they utilize right away and use immediately. You can achieve this by providing checklists, ebooks, swipe files, case studies, templates, and videos, among other things. In short, anything which the user can use right away. To put it another way, the more useful your lead magnet is, the more people will sign up for it. Next step, optimize the homepage of your blog for email signups. The majority of people's homepages are simply a list of their blogs. While this isn't necessarily a bad thing, if you want individuals to sign up for your email list, you must make your offer prominent and noteworthy. An important hack is to cut the reading time of the audience. If your homepage is filled with content, it will quickly lead to the audience getting bored. Instead, your homepage should act as a lead magnet and convert readers into subscribers. You can see that major sites use this strategy effectively. For example, sites like Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook don't feature content on their homepages. Instead, their homepages are optimized for signups. Let's talk about exit intent pop-ups now. Let's be honest here, no one likes a pop-up. Most people are really annoyed by pop-ups and will leave a site out of sheer annoyance if a pop-up comes out. However, not all pop-ups are bad. How, you ask? Well, you see, there's a big difference between a pop-up that attacks you the minute you land on the page and a pop-up which offers something of value as you're about to leave a site. Such type of pop-ups will come out when a user is about to leave a site are called exit intent pop-ups. Exit intent pop-ups work best when they're used to provide super valuable stuff to the readers. By doing that, you're increasing the likelihood that a user will sign up to your email list. As the bottom line, at least you're not bothering people who are on your site and pitching them useless stuff which no one likes or wants. That makes for a very good user experience. Use content upgrades. Content upgrades are a great way to provide value to your audience and increase your reach. Here's the exact process you can use for content upgrades. First, log in to Google Analytics and find a blog post on your site that gets a ton of traffic. Next, put yourself in your audience shoes and figure out how you can add more value to them and what more they could need from that page. Finally, feature your content upgrade in your post. You can offer your content upgrade at the top of the page, at the bottom of your page, or both.